the marketing company. The reason why most businesses fail is because they don't take marketing seriously, or marketing is an accident that occasionally happens to their business. Now, we can learn a lesson from Red Bull, whether you like their drinks or not. When I say Red Bull, most people will probably say, oh, Red Bull, yeah, they're a fizzy drinks company. But actually, they're not. The way they're structured and set up is they are a marketing company that sells Red Bull. And this is something we need to understand. A successful company, a successful business, is a business that prioritizes their marketing. Because if you're not marketing, nobody knows about you. And if nobody knows about you, no one can buy. But it goes much deeper than that. Because when you become a marketing company, you become very aware of your message on every front. So whether it's a social media marketing campaign, whether it's on your website, whether it's on the telephone, whether it's on point of service, whether you've got an installer going out, because you're a marketing company and you're focused on communicating your expertise, your authority, and your values, the natural consequence of thinking and running a business like that is that you will get sales. Now, when you start thinking like a marketing company, then essentially your product, your service, your offerings become widget X. Because once you learn how to market your business, you can market any business. And widget X doesn't matter what you sell, doesn't matter what service or product you offer, the same principles apply. Now, another thing to understand is that marketing, good marketers, the most sought after skill is good marketing with businesses. And people will pay huge amounts of money to get the right type of marketer on board that can actually create results for the company. And that's because it's probably one of the most important parts of the business, what you communicate to your customers. But you might be thinking, but I don't like marketing. Me personally, I love the psychology of marketing. I love how marketing works and how you can match the buyer journey to a marketing funnel. But there's a lot of people just don't like marketing. But even if you don't like marketing, you still need to understand the principles of marketing. Still need to understand how it works, so that when someone else does your marketing for you, you know that they're doing marketing the way it should be done. Now, this is a challenge a lot of the time, flipping this model of business on its head, because normally a business is a business that produces something and it has a marketing department or a sales department. But when you flip it over, when you become the marketing company that sells widget X, your focus and revenue potential have the opportunity to experience exponential growth. So I want to encourage you to be excited about transforming your business or helping someone else transform their business from someone who makes products to a marketing company that sells widget X.